Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science is Life. I am Vinay Kumar. Firstly, I will tell you why did I created this channel. Then we can proceed into main content. Most of us spend so much of time in a day to watch comedy or dance videos for our entertainment. But I feel we need to know at least something about science along with our entertainment videos. If you like to know some interesting facts about science, please subscribe to this channel and share to your friends. Okay, I start this video with PowerPoint presentation which I prepared earlier. But before proceeding to it, I want to share some information to you all. That is, because of this coronavirus, we are all locked down in our own houses. But what is the solution for this? A vaccine. We are all waiting for a medical scientist to invent vaccine for all of us. So, a scientist must be a great person in our society, right? But we can see very few people are becoming scientists these days in India. The reason for the situation in our country is actually there are so many reasons, but the main reason is lack of encouragement what they are receiving. Yes, in our country, a scientist is getting just one fourth of the salary or funding compared to other countries. Now I will show you a table comparing the salaries of a scientist with different professions, especially in entertainment field in our country. Here in this table we can see different professions along with their salaries or remunerations in our country. The first one I have considered in this table is a sports person. A sports person may be a cricketer or a tennis player or some others. They'll get approximately 10 lakhs per month. The next one I have considered is from cine field. In cine field, an actor or a director, they'll get approximately 2 to 3 crores as a remuneration per film. On average, it will be approximately 10 to 20 lakhs per month. Even if you take the actors or anchors from comedy shows or entertainment programs also, they will also get approximately 3 to 5 lakhs per month. But when it comes to a scientist, an entry level scientist will get just 25,000 per month as a stipend. Even after becoming successful scientist, he will get just 50 to 60,000 per month only. And many of these scientists not even getting credits for what they are doing. Here I will show you an image which I have collected from a website. This image is basically a graph between skill versus fame for different professions. Here we can see scientists even though having so much of skill will get very less fame. This image is actually representing present situation going on in entire world. So I am expecting our government will give better encouragement to our scientists in future. Okay, now we will come to our actual topic. Firstly, we need to understand what is the need of knowing about science in this advanced and technological world. Is there anything still pending to invent, or is it okay if we proceed with the inventions that are already existing? If you want, you can give answer for this question or tell your opinion for this question in comment section. According to me, learning and knowing about science is very important to all of us. I will ask you some questions which will definitely create some interest in science. The first question is, how did our universe created? It was created by somebody else or it was created on its own? The next question is, what will happen to all of us if Earth suddenly loses its gravity? And the next question is, why after all these years, all these thousands of years, moon is not coming near to Earth or not going away from the Earth? And the next question is, why most of the planets or stars or so many things in our world also are in spherical shape? Why lunar eclipse or solar eclipse are forming? How electricity is passing from one point to another point or one place to another place? How can we see smallest particles like atoms or subatomic particles or virus or bacteria? How a sound wave can break a glass into pieces? Like this, there are so many questions and there are so many interesting things we need to learn in the name of science. and most of these things are related to our day-to-day life only. So learning about science is very much interesting as well as important also. In this channel, I will regularly upload the videos related to physics. In my next video, I will come with an interesting topic from physics. Thank you all. Stay safe, stay healthy.